Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix Quick Tip tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to create and export driving directions in Matrix. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS may have slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so to create driving directions in Matrix, let's begin by generating a search and then select each of the properties that we'd like to visit. And we'll do this either directly from the results on the map or from the display. Next, I'm going to select the directions option located in the Actions panel. And you'll notice that when I do this, Matrix automatically organizes my selected properties into what it considers the most efficient driving route. In addition to this, each tour is broken down with turn-by-turn directions to the next property on the list, including distance and the approximate driving time. Now, if you'd like to add other locations to the tour, for example, lunch at your favorite restaurant, simply select the Add Location button, fill in the required information, then drag and drop it to wherever you'd like it to appear. All right, so now that the directions are finalized, let's go ahead and email them to my client so they know exactly where we're going and how long they can expect to get there. And while we're at it, let's also include a copy for myself. And what our customer will receive is a notification that includes a link to the directions. And finally, back in Matrix, I also have the option of forwarding this route to view in Google Maps, where I'm able to explore each location as well as access additional Google functionality. And for those who have already signed into their Google account, there's also an option to send these directions to their mobile device for real-time navigation to assist you while you're traveling. All right, well, this concludes this driving directions tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.